Okay, so today we're going to be doing lesson 5, adding unlike fractions. Our essential question is, how can equivalent fractions help me add and subtract fractions? Alright, let's get started. In the morning, an octopus swam for 1/3 of an hour. In the afternoon, the octopus swam for 1/4 of an hour. How much of the 1 hour did the octopus swim altogether? So, when adding unlike fractions, we have to find a common denominator. So let's do 12. So this would be times 4, and this would be times 4, and that would be 4 over 12, and then times 3, because you have to do the same thing to the top and the bottom. So that would be 3 over 12, and then the answer would be 7 over 12, and that's how long the octopus swam altogether. And then write equivalent like fractions using the least common denominator, LCD. The LCD of 1/3 and 1/4 is 12. So,
This is just showing the steps you already did.
All right. So 4 plus 3, or 7 over 12. All right. And then, so 1/3 plus 1/4 equals 7 over 12. The octopus swam for 7/12 of an hour altogether. The model shows that 1/4 plus 1/3 is 7/12. Right. Time for the next page. Flip. Alright. You can use benchmark fractions such as 1/2 to check an answer for reasonableness. Catalina spent 1/5 of her free time reading and 7/10 of her free time practicing her flute. What fraction of her free time did she spend reading and practicing her flute? So we're going to add 1/5 plus and 7/10. So we're going to estimate 1/5 plus 7/10 is sort of close to 0 plus 1, or 1. Write equivalent like fractions using LCD. The LCD is 10. So this would be 2/10 plus 7/10, or it would be 2 plus 7, or 9/10. And then Catalina spent 9/10 of her free time reading and practicing her flute. That's it. And guided practice. Write each sum in simplest form. So we're going to do the equivalent, or the least common denominator, which is 10, which would be 5 over 10 for here. No, it wouldn't. It would be 4 over 10 for here, and then this would be 5 over 10, which equals 9 over 10. And then this one would be 8, so this would be 6 over 8, plus 1 over 8 equals 7/8.
Remember, they're multiplying by 2 and by 5.
And then for this one, you have to do the same to the top as you do to the bottom. So on this one, you would multiply by 2's to get to the 10, and on this one, you would multiply by 5's to get to the 10.